up, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. ANSON SEABRA here with the song called I Can't Love Anyone As Long As It's You. Okay, so it's a nice song here we're gonna look at now, and we're gonna go clean without any cape on this one, and 5 chords, some bar chords and some not. But yeah, let's start with this A, and that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. The next chord will be C sharp minor. That's a bar chord here, a bar placed on the 4th fret and all strings except from the last E here. So 5 strings from bottom of the mark like this, and then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. So that's the C sharp minor. And then we are going for the F sharp minor, a bar this time on the 2nd fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. So that was your 3rd chord. The next one will be D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord will be E. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So handling these chords will be very easy. We're going with just downs, and that's how it starts here with the first verse. The chord progression here will be A, 1 down, then C sharp minor, 1 down, then F sharp minor, 1 down, and D, 1 down. Approximately in that tempo, okay? So it goes very slowly. And you're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds, 1 down per chord, and that is your first verse. That takes us to the first pre-chorus, and the lyrics, cause there's always other people I could meet. And you're gonna play now a new chord progression that goes F sharp minor, then E, then A, then C sharp minor, and D. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds, and again, it's just 1 down per chord in this tempo. And a longer pause, and then again. And a longer pause. And that takes us to the chorus. Okay, so the chorus will have the same chord progression as the verse. The only difference here is you're gonna play 4 downs now per chord. So it will be A, 1, 2, 3, 4, C sharp, 2, 3, 4, F sharp, 2, 3, 4, and D, 2, 3, 4. We go for a second round. You're gonna play a total of 3 rounds, so let's go for this final. And then we're back to a new verse. This time we'll play the 2nd verse, and it's the same chord progression. The only difference here is you're gonna play still this new 4 downs per chord. So it's not like your first verse where you only play 1 down with these longer breaks in between the chords. You're gonna play and just continue in the same way as you play your chorus play. So A4, C sharp 4, F sharp 4, and yes, of course, D4. You go for 2 rounds here, so still 2 rounds in this 2nd verse. That takes us to a 2nd chorus, and this one is played in the same way as the first one, so nothing changes there. And after that comes a pre-chorus, the 2nd one, played in the same way as the first one with this faster switches here, F sharp, E, A, C sharp, D, for 2 rounds. And that brings us to the 3rd and final chorus. It's played in the same way, but on the 3rd round now, it ends with just 1 down on the 1st chord, which is A. So you just start up the third round here in this chord progression on this final chorus and play just one down on the A, and that is how Anson Seabra's I Can Love Anyone As Long As It's You ends. Alright, many words there and then there, the title of the song. But anyway, a great song, easy to handle here. So just learn the 5 chords and it's just straight downs. That's it. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.